Hello everyone, welcome back to the Wolf. So this is just a quick daily recap video what is happening in the crypto market right now. And because Solana is pumping towards the upside because of the meme coin that is launched by the Donald Trump, the president of United States. He launched his own meme coin and I will discuss about that as well. So first of all, I did take a trade on Ethereum, and after 30 days of a break, when I returned in the market and when I returned and resumed making videos for my YouTube channel. So yesterday I did uploaded a video, and in that video I said I will enter in a short position on Ethereum if the price comes at $3,500 approx. Exactly this level I mentioned. Why? Because if I zoom out, you can clearly see this downwards trend line. Ethereum is in a downtrend right now, and you can see high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and a new lower high here. Not only this, but look at this important white resistance or support zone, and I did mention the targets in my previous videos as well, 3,340 and 3,530 approx. So this is the confluence of two levels right over here, resistance trend line plus resistance zone, confluence of two levels, which increases my conviction to enter in a short position. And exactly as you can see, price did came to my level and I entered in a short position on Ethereum, and I did gave my targets for Ethereum trade as well. I told you all that I am going short and my target is approximately $3,120 level, and I did manage to book these profits manually because my automatic take profit did not occur, but it's okay, I still managed to book good profits here. Not only this, but I told you all that this will be a 1:2 trade right over here, and as you can clearly see, it is a 1:2 trade, and yeah, it went pretty well, and in just 3 candles my target has been hit. Today's candle, daily candle, went all the way down till here, 3,130. My target has been hit perfectly, and yeah, good trade over here. But all the greedy long leverage traders got washed out here. As you can see, they all got washed out here. So it is what it is, and it is just a PVP. You go to any market, crypto, forex, stocks, it is just a PVP everywhere. So yeah, this is my Ethereum trade. Currently I'm not taking any trade on Ethereum. I'll just wait patiently because right now it is inside my white zone, and I do not take a trade inside of my zone. And obviously I just took a short position trade recently and made profits, so it's better to just hold on to my profits, wait patiently for the next opportunity rather than over trading. So I'll inform you guys on my Twitter if I take any trade, and I will definitely make a video too. Do not copy me, but learn from my trades, what I look at the charts, what is my analysis, how is my setup, and all of these things. Also talking about Bitcoin right now, Bitcoin made a good decent support from this white zone right over here. I did mention in my previous video, currently Bitcoin is struggling. You can clearly see it is overbought, volume is pretty much dead right over here. Still Bitcoin is struggling to break out towards the upside, and right now we haven't seen any rejection or a consolidation, at least, because you can see this is a kind of a minor resistance right over here. This zone is a minor resistance for Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is already overbought. Bulls are exhausted and price is struggling to break it towards the upside, but I am afraid that the price of Bitcoin can be manipulated, and if that happens, then it can easily be a huge breakout towards the upside. So for example, like we saw here, you can already see it was a huge overbought pressure from the buyers. Bulls were exhausted. This was a time for a retest, and or at least a consolidation for a long period. But what happened? We saw a huge manipulative pump towards the upside. Currently I'm not taking any trade. I may enter in a short position, not right now, but if the price comes near the all-time high or makes a new all-time high, then I will enter in a short position. But it is very risky for me, because obviously, as I say, it is a bull run and Bitcoin's price is getting manipulated. So, and plus it is near its all-time high, so there are no resistance or support levels to take any trade. So it is a risky trade for me to go short, and I will be cautious to enter in a trade right now. But currently I'm not taking any trade on Bitcoin, neither short or long. Let's see what happens. Here I am on the Solana's chart and daily time frame. If you have watched my last video, then definitely I made a video about Solana right over here, that how I entered in a long position at this price at $178, and the price went all the way up till $268, new all-time high. So what exactly happened was, it is all because of Trump made his new meme coin, and everyone is buying Solana to buy his meme coin. So that's why Solana's price is pumping towards the upside, because the meme coin has been launched on Solana's blockchain, and that's why we saw this huge candle. I mean, the price was already overbought. By looking at these three candles, you can clearly see buyers are getting exhausted. Still we saw a huge green candle because obviously of the buying pressure of the Trump's meme coin, and this candle did a breakout and made an all-time high. And now today's candle went all the way up till $300 approx, but there has been a very high selling pressure. So let's see what happens. Currently I'm not taking a trade on Solana as well, because obviously same reason as that of Bitcoin, there is nothing, I mean, there is no level to take a trade right now. There is no resistance or support for me to take a trade, and I just do not take trades according to my emotion. I patiently wait for the price to show some kind of a setup, some kind of technical analysis, or else I will not take a trade. And when the price of Solana was near my level, I did take a long trade, and my long trade is currently in profits. It is still in profits and my trade is running, so it's better for me to concentrate on that trade rather than taking any new trade. So I'm just trailing my stop loss right now. My new stop loss is somewhat over here below this today's wick, today's low point. Below today's low point is my current trailing stop loss, and it is very aggressive right now. And even if the price comes below it, I will exit my Solana trade, and no matter if it pumps again towards the upside, because for me it is already a lot of profits here. Or maybe I'll book partial profits and keep the rest of the trade running. Let's see, it all depends on the situation. Currently not taking any new trade on Solana. So yes guys, this is it for today's video. I hope you understand my main analysis behind Bitcoin, Solana, and my profitable trade on Ethereum. I hope you learned from that trade as well. Do not copy trade me blindly, but I hope you learned from these three assets. Am I taking a new trade or not? What am I looking for to enter in a new trade? Everything. And if you want to trade Solana, Ethereum, Bitcoin, or any other crypto, or you want to buy, you can do that on Bybit. Link is in the description and in the pinned comments. You can create an account for free, absolutely. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.